Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how we can create Azure pipelines, and along with that we will deploy our .NET 10 applications using the GitHub Actions. So this video is very super important for those developers who wants to learn that how we can create Azure pipelines. Okay, so like it is totally based on CI/CD things. So without getting into details, so let's get started with the main content. So this is the Azure portal. Okay, and let me show you the application. So my application is a basic a minimal API based application. So I am just creating the application which is which will return me the hello world. Okay, and the endpoint of to access this API is slash greetings. Okay, and along with that, let me show you the thing that I am using the .NET 10 application. So like if you are using .NET 10, .NET 9 and .NET 8, then you will be able to use this thing here. Okay, and we will start with the simplest approach to create the pipelines, and we will deploy our .NET applications using the GitHub Actions. Okay, so this video very super important for all the developers. Now what I will do here, so let's go back to the main screen. So right now I am at Azure portal, or simply just go to the app services. But if you are not able to see the app services, just search here app services like this. So you will find this app services icon. Just go here or create the application. So it is asking me to choose the application type. So web app plus database and WordPress. So right now I am just only working with the applications, so I will choose the web app. Along with that, uh, we will land on this page. So what is your subscription type? So my subscription type is Azure subscription 1. Or it will ask you that what is your resource group. So I will create a new resource group. So I will just name it as a greetings .NET. Okay, so that I will be able to know that what the resource group I am using, and simply I will click over here, and you will see the thing here. Now after that, it is asking me to choose the instance details. So my instance details will be greetings Rohan. Okay, so super, it is a kind of domain name which is provided by the Azure. Okay, so after that, what you have to do, it is asking me to if I want to secure my endpoint or not. So simply I will if I just turn out here, so it is generating me the random strings, but I don't want to this. I just want the plain text like greetings Rohan dot Azure website dot net. After that, it is asking me to what will be your publish method. So simply I will just use the code. Okay, like I don't want to use the container. Okay, and we will see that how we can deploy the container. Okay, in the further videos. And just I am just uploading the code. Along with that, what I will do here, simply it is asking me to runtime stack. So right now the .NET 10 I will select here. Okay, or you can choose the .NET 9, .NET 8 as per your applications. Okay, so super. Now it is asking me to choose the operating system. So my operating system mode will be Linux, because Linux is easier than the Windows operating system. Now along with that, it is asking me to choose the region. So it is already choosing the region, so I don't want to change it here. Now now the Linux plan is it is asking to choose the Linux plan. So let me see that what will be the Linux plan. Okay, so I am using the free one plan here. Okay, so I think it's not any issue. Okay, now along with that, what I will do here, I will go to the database section, and I don't want to create a database. To go to the deployment section. In the deployment section, it is asking me to set up the things like what will be my, like it is asking me to set up the continuous deployment to easily deploy code from the GitHub repository by the GitHub Actions. Okay, so simply I'm just disable the things here. Okay, like I don't want to connect my GitHub repository in the Azure, Microsoft Azure. So simply that's why I'm disabling it here. Okay, and I will just go with the YAML file. Or in the networking section, it is asking me that enable public access. Okay, yes, I want to make it public access. Okay, and after that we will go to the monitor and secure. Now it is asking me that enable applications insights. Okay, what if I choose it here? So I will just choose the no here. Okay, and after that enable the defender of F services. No, I don't want it. Or and if you want to add the text, but I don't want to here. And just we will see the finalize the things that subscription, like all the details that you have selected here. Okay, and the SKU is pro, SKU is the free. Or along with that there is no any application insights. So simply I will just create the things like this. Or we will starting the initializing the deployment of CI/CD, and it will take 1 2 minutes to uh, do the things and make the things finalized for you. Is setting up, or it is tech like the deployment is in progress, so you don't need to do anything. It will done automatically. Super. And just close this thing here, and the deployment is completed successfully. And just click on the go to the resources, and you will land on this page and you will get the overview of your pipeline. Now what you have to do, simply just you have to download the publish profile. Okay, but it is telling me that basic authentication is disabled. If you are seeing this issue from your side as well, so simply just go to your settings. In the settings, just go to your configuration. In the configuration, just you have to turn on it here. Okay, SCM basic publishing credentials, and you have to apply the things like this. After the applying the things, you will be able to download those files that we are facing at the time. We are facing the issue that basic authentication is off, so we have enabled it here. Or simply I will just download the publish profile of this pipeline. Or congratulations if you have done this very important step and you have successfully download your publish profile. Now what you have to do, now we will start with the coding section, and we will create the YAML file and to deploy the things like this. Okay, a new folder, or the new folder will be GitHub. Okay, or just press the enter. And in this folder again you have to create the folder which should be workflows. Okay, and make sure that you won't make any mistakes while working, like while creating the folders. Like first folder will be github.github, and after that inside this folder you have to create the workflows folder. And in the workflows folder you have to create the YAML file. Okay, and you can name it anything. So I will just name it as a greetings.yml. Okay, so we will start the things with the YAML file. Okay, and we will write the code. We will set up the things in the YAML file. So first, I will just name it as a like I will name the deployment name is a hello world. Superb. Along with that, what I will do here, simply I will just on the some things. Okay, and I will just name it as a like I just want to use the workflow dispatch. Okay, super. After that, what I will do here, I will just use to push the branch. Okay, so branches will, in the branches you have to select main. Okay, so it will select, it will target the main branch of the thing of the GitHub repository. Now what you have to do, now we will set up the environment variables. So let me write the environment variables for you. So this is the environment variables that we have created. So in the env section, we are using the few environment variables. First is web app name. So my web app name will be hello world hyphen Rohan. and after that I am creating another variable which is Azure web package path. So the package path will be hello world.api or in the publish folder. After that, you have to choose the .NET version. In the .NET version, if I tell you one thing that I'm using the .NET 10 application, so that's why I choose the 10.x. If you are using the .NET 8, that .NET 9, then you have to do the same, that you have to mention that 9.x, 8.x simply. Okay, or the solution path will be that what is the what is your solution file name. Okay, so in my scenario, my solution file name is hello world.api.slnx, and right now I am using the .NET 10 application with the Visual Studio 2026. So that's why my solution file name is the .slnx. But if you are using the .NET 8, .NET 9, so you will get your file name is a .solution. Okay, after that, it is asking me that what is your project API project path. So my API project path is hello world.api. It means that what is my project name. Okay, so my project name is hello world.api. After that, it is asking me what will be your publish folder. So my publish folder simply is in the publish folder. That's it. Now what you have to do, like I will set up the jobs here. Okay, and I will tell the jobs to deploy my applications to first job will be first I will choose the operating system. After that I will choose the create the build. After that I will test and we will deploy the things here. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So I will just define the jobs. In the jobs I will just use the build and test. Okay, in the build and test section I will just name it as a build and test. Okay, so okay, so we will create two jobs. Okay, so first job will be build and test. Now what I will do here, simply I will just use the on which operating system I want to run this job here. Okay, so I will just choose the Ubuntu latest version. Okay, now what I will do here, I will choose the I will write the steps to deploy my applications. In the steps I will mention the things. Okay, the first step will be I will use the let me clear the things. Okay, and make sure that while using the hyphen icon, so just you have to give this one space between the text and the hyphen. Okay, so make sure the things like this. Now what I will do here, simply I will just use and create choose the actions and I will just check out the things. Okay, so I will just choose the checkout. Now what I will do here, now I will start with the first I will choose the name. Okay, so the name is setup.net. I am setting up the things in the build and test. Okay, like what will be the process we will follow to build and testing the application until the publish. Okay, now what I will do, so the first step is setup.net. In the setup.net, I will choose the uses. In the uses, what I will choose the actions and setup.net. Okay, and I will choose the version 4. Along with that, I will choose the .NET version as well. Okay, what .NET version I will use. So I will use the .NET version, or simply what I will do here, in the from the environment variables I will choose the .NET version. Superb. Along with that, what you have to do, now make sure that all the things should be in the same hierarchy, otherwise you will get an error. So now the next step name is restore. I would like to restore my application. Okay, and what the command I will run, simply I will run the .NET restore, and I will choose the solution path. Okay, so solution path. Okay, so just use the env dot solution path. Okay, so this is the solution path which is the hello world dot api dot slnx. After that, what you have to do, I will now I will build my application. So I will just name the step name is build. Okay, so simply I will just use the build. Okay, or I will just run the command to build my application. So .NET build or env dot solution path, like I want to start build my solution file. Okay, and what you have to do, simply I will just define few more things like configuration. Like configuration type will be release type. Okay, and I don't want to restore again, so simply that's why I define the things. Now after that, what you have to do, I will define the next step. The next step would be pub test. Okay, so in the test, like this step is optional, but to make sure the things are working fine or not. Okay, so simply I will just choose the .NET and the test command. In the test command, I will choose the solution path again. Okay, in the solution path, I will choose the configuration. In the configuration type will be release type, like my application is in the release mode, or I will choose the nodes restore. Okay, and again new thing is no build. Okay, and after that verbosity. Okay, in the verbosity, and verbosity type is normal. Okay, so such kind of things we have mentioned here. Okay, now the next step is to publish my application in the publish folder. Okay, so I will just I will just write the publish step. Okay, superb. Now what I will do here, I will run the command to publish my folder. Okay, so my command name is .NET publish. Okay, like we are just using the simple .NET commands. That's it. Okay, and we are .NET developers and we know it very well. So env dot api project path. Okay, now what you have to do, I will choose the configuration. The configuration type will be release. Okay, now after that, what I will do here, simply I am just uh, uh, command that there is no restore, or there is, and there is no build as well. Okay, or along with that, what I will do here, the property for, like I will decide the property. Okay, in the property, I will choose the publish dir. So publish dir will be let me access the environment variable of the publish dir. That's it. So this will be my publish dir. Now what I will do here, simply I will define the new step. Okay, the new step of okay, so the new step is to publish the artifacts as well. Okay, so I will just publish my artifacts. Now what you have to do, I will first I will use the things. Okay, like what package I will use here. So the actions or upload artifacts, simply, or I will choose the version 4 as well. Okay, now what I will mention the things like my web app name is web app. Okay, after that, what I will do here, I will just choose the path. So the path will be env dot azure web app package path. Super. So if you want to see that what is the azure package path, so the azure package path is hello in the hello world api folder. The publish folder will be your package path. Now what you have to do, I will mention a new thing that we have successfully complete the step which is build and test. Okay, now I will and we have successfully created these jobs. Now the things come to the deployment of the application, and this step is very important, and make sure that you haven't skipped anything here. Okay, so what I will do here, simply I will just name it as a deploy. Okay, I want to deploy my application, so deployment name is deploy, and just name the things here. Okay, so deploy to Edge, Azure. Superb. Now what I will do here, I will I will just choose the operating system, like runs on the Ubuntu latest. So it will find the latest version of the operating Ubuntu operating system, and it is like I will decide the what the job I need. Okay, so the job that I have created here there. Okay, so I will choose the job name is a build and test, and if you go there, okay, so we have created the jobs which is build and test. Okay, and I want to deploy my jobs. Okay, this job, and it is us, like we are seeing that I'm using the array. It means that you can mention the multiple jobs here, so you don't need to worry about anything, just use the uh, multiple jobs in this array. Now what I will do here, to deploy the application on the Azure, so first we will write the steps. In the steps I will mention that the first step will be download the artifacts. Okay, so download artifacts from build jobs. Okay, after that what you have to do, I will use the download artifacts package. Okay, so download artifact and version 4. Superb. What the mistake I have made here again, that name. Okay, in the name section, uh, what I will do here, simply uh, I I will just use the download artifacts package. Okay, now with like I will decide the web app here. Okay, the name is web app that I have put there. Okay, or I will choose the env dot azure package path. So if you just see that what is your Azure web package path that we have decided in the environment variable. So the in the hello world API folder, okay, you are targeting the publish folder. That's it. Okay, now after that what you have to mention the things. Okay, like I will define the next step. The next step will be deployment of your application. In the deployment of your application, I will use the web apps, and we will deploy with the version 2, like so this is the package we will use to deploy the application to Azure pipeline. Now what I will do here, I will decide the app name. Okay, so the app name would be that I have decided in the app variable. Okay, so if I just go to the here. Okay, so my web app name is Azure web app name. Super. So simply I will just paste the thing here. Okay, so this will be my web app name. Now I will choose the publish profile. So publish profile, in this publish profile, we will mention the things that we have downloaded from the portal. Okay, like that publish profile that we have downloaded from here. Okay, and this publish profile is very secret, okay, and you don't need that, or make sure that you haven't share this thing here, okay. So that's why you have to keep the things private, okay. So I will just name it as a Azure web app publish or profile, that's it, okay. And make sure that you haven't shared this public profile to anyone, okay. Now what you have to do, I will just choose the package. The package will be uh, uh, that I have decided in the environment variables, okay. So Azure uh, package path, that's it. So if you just go to the package path again, then you will see that in the hello world API folder you will directly accessing the publish folder, that's it, okay. So in this way we have created the YAML file, okay, or the things in the YAML file is done here, okay. And guys, there is a few things I want to tell you that here I've used the runs, okay. So just use the run command only, okay. So I have already fixed it here, or make sure that everything is working fine. Now what you have to do, simply you have to publish this folder, okay, using the GitHub command line, okay, to the GitHub to your GitHub repository, okay. Or so I will push entire code to my GitHub repository, okay. Or thereafter we will meet there. So here we have created the repository and we have deployed all the things, okay. So this is my APIs, and in the GitHub folder you will found the hello world YAML file here, okay. So I have changed my YAML file name, okay. Okay, you have to create a secret variable. Along with that, you what you have to do, simply just click the secrets and variables and choose the actions. In the actions you have to create the new repository secret, okay. Or I will just name the secret name that we have defined here, okay. So this is my secret, the Azure web app published profile, okay. Super. So I will just paste my values, okay, from the profile, okay. And I will just add my secret. So we have successfully created the secret variable as well, and make sure that guys you haven't, like, you should not share this secret value to anyone, okay. Now okay, so the web app name or or guys, make sure that your web app name is similar that you have defined here, okay. So my web app name is greetings Rohan, that's it, okay. So simply let me change my web app name here, okay. Or I forgot to change the name here, okay. So this is the greetings Rohan here, okay. Or simply what I will do here, I will redeploy my things here, okay. So git status, okay. Or I will choose the git add or git commit hyphen m, or I will, the message will be changes. Now I will push the code to the main, okay. Or simply I will just hit the enter, okay, so that our code will be automatically pushed here. Now just go to your actions folder. In the actions folder you will see the changes that you have made here, okay. And the things will start here, okay, like build and test and deploy to Azure, that we have defined the things here, okay. So this is your build and test phase. After that the next job is to deploy to Azure. So that's, so we have defined these two jobs here, and right now the build and test is working on the work, okay. Or everything is done here, okay. So now let's move to the deploy to Azure, or and it will be fun to see that how the deployment is working fine or not in the Azure, or everything will be gonna fine. So okay, it is done. Or you have seen that you are seeing that app service application URL. Okay, so just copy the URL here. Okay, so the deployment to Azure is successfully done. Or just access your APIs. So my API name was greetings. Okay, so let me confirm it again. So greetings. Okay, so superb, and I will hit the enter, and we will see that the response from this API should be hello world. So we got the response from the API, which is hello world, and we have successfully deployed our .NET applications to the Azure pipeline using the GitHub Actions. Now there is an important update for you guys, that if you want this source code of your YAML file, then just go to the f2bstack.com. Okay, in the f2bstack.com you will go to the blog section. In the blog section you will find the latest blog regarding the Azure with .NET. Okay, so you will find your blog here. Okay, and you will get your YAML file code here. Okay, so if you made any mistakes, so just I just want to tell you that please back forward your this video. Okay, and follow the steps again. If you love this content, if you love this video, so hit the like button, share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. Or guys, I just want to tell you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this website to those developers who wants to learn the .NET. So till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.